Hello friends, today we are going to start a very new chapter, that is mixture and alligation, questions of mixture and alligation. So let's begin. Okay, so here is a question. In 30-liter mixture of acid, the ratio of acid and water is 2 to 3. Okay, so in 30 liter, the ratio of acid and water is 2 to 3. What amount of water should be added to the mixture so as to make the ratio of acid and water 2 to 5? So you know that out of those 5 part, 2 part is of acid, 3 part of base. So you can find out the quantity of acid from total 5 parts. 2 parts is acid. After you do this, this comes out to be 12, 12 liters was acid and remaining one is base, means 18 liter is water, and this is your acid. So what quantity of water should be added to make this mixture as 2 to 5? So 2, 12 is there, that is acid, 18 is water, you have to add water. Okay, so to make the quantity 2 to 5, you have to keep this same, right? So what quantity of water you will add to make it 2 to 5? You can solve it now. 12 into 5, that is 60, equal to 36 plus x, 2x. So this goes in that side, 24 equal to 2x. So x value comes out to be 12. So if you add 12 liter of water in that, that will become, the ratio will become 2 to 5. So this must be 12 liters. So 12 is the right answer. Okay. So here is a question. An alloy, the ratio of copper and zinc is 5 by 2. Okay, copper and zinc is 5 by 2. If 1.25 kg of zinc is mixed in 17 kg 500 gram of alloy, then the ratio of copper and zinc will become. Okay, so you know that this is the ratio of copper and zinc. If 1.25 kg of zinc is added in a mixture of 17 kg and 500 gram of alloy, means out of those 7, these are total quantity is what, 7. Out of those 7 quantity, 5 is copper and 2 is zinc. So we can find out the actual weight of zinc. How we can find out zinc actual weight? 2 2 unit of zinc out of 7 unit into 7117500 in total. This much kgs, they told you this much is the alloy weight. So you can simply find out. So this goes, this 2 and 3, 35. 35 is equal to 500. So 2 into 2500 into 2, that comes out to be 5 kgs, 500 grams, which we can write as 5 kg. So in 5 kg zinc, if you add 1.2150 kg more zinc, this will equivalent to what? This will equivalent to 6.250 kg of zinc. 6.250 kg of zinc is there in this mixture, right? And what else you have to calculate? You have to find out the copper, the ratio now. So now, out of earlier, how much was this 17.5 kg? We have finded out that this was 500, means 5 kg was copper, zinc. So 12 point, if you minus 7500 out of 5000, you will get the quantity of copper that was there in it. 005 means 12.5 kg was copper, and now the zinc is how much? 6.25. So 6.250 upon, this is zinc, zinc upon copper ratio they ask you, or copper upon zinc, they ask you copper upon zinc, and copper comes out to be how much? 12.500 or 2500. Zinc come out to be 6250. This is copper, this is zinc, this cuts out, this comes out to be 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is your first option, so the first option is right. Okay, So here is a question. There are three containers of equal capacity. The ratio of sulfuric acid to water for first container is 3:2. For second container it is 7/3, and third container it is 12/4. So you can see there is total of 5 units. Here it is 10 and here it is 14. So you 15, sorry, level plus 4. So you cannot compare unless and until all the quantities are same. To make it same, I have to think a number which is common to all these three. So 60 is a number. So to make 5 as a 60, I have to multiply it by 12. So the first container is multiplied by 12. That means this also need to be multiplied by 12. The second container is multiplied by 10. So this also need to be multiplied by 10. Third container need to be multiplied by 4. So this also need to be multiplied by 4. After doing this comes out to be 36 liters of sulfuric acid and 24 liter of water, right? This comes out to be 70 liters of sulfuric acid and 30 liters of water. Not 70, 7 by 3 it was. So you multiplied it by 6, not by 6, 6 you multiplied. So 7 into 6, this comes out to be 7 into 6 comes out to be your 42, 42 by 18 liters. And third quantity comes out to be 11 into 4, that is 44, 44 upon 16, right? So you can now add sulfuric acid. Above is sulfuric acid and below is water. So 36 plus 42, that comes out to be 38, 38 plus 40, that comes out to be your 78, 78 plus 44, this comes out to be your 2 and 120 liter of sulfuric acid. Now you can add water. 16 plus 24, that comes out to be 40, 40 plus 18, 40 plus 18, that comes out to be 58, 58. Now you can divide it. This comes out to be 60, this comes out to be 29. So 60 by 29 is the answer. So 60 by 29 is here. So we can do in this manner. Okay. Thank you.